Hey guys, welcome back to Intellify. My name is Vipula. Today we will solve NCERT questions of chapter Application of Integrals, subject Mathematics, class 12th, exercise 8.1, question number 6. Question number 6. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis lines x is equal to root 3y and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. So x square plus y square is equal to 4 is the circle equation and x is equal to root 3y is the line equation. Now solution. Step 1. To draw the graph and the shade the region whose area we are to find. Equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 2 to the power 2. This is our first equation and this is our circle equation. As we know, equation 1 represents a circle whose center is 0, 0. So compare this x minus 0 whole power square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to b square. Now compare this equation from 1, will come to know that 0, 0 is the center of the circle and radius is 2. Equation of the given line is x is equal to root 3y. We can write y is equal to x by root 3. So this y is equal to x by root 3 is equation number 2. So we know that equation 2 having the form y is equal to mx, where m is the coefficient of x. So from equation 2 we can see that coefficient of x is 1 by root 3. So m is equal to 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 10, 1 by root 3 is equal to 10 30 degree. So theta will be 30 degree from the x-axis. Theta is equal to 30 degree, represent a straight line passing through the origin and making 30 degree angle with the x-axis. Now step 2. Now find the value of x and y. Put y is equal to x by root 3 in equation 1. Now substitute the value of y in equation 1. We'll get x square plus x square by 3 is equal to 4. Now take the LCM and multiply 4 into 3. So 3x square plus x square is equal to 12. 4x square is equal to 12. X square is equal to 3. X will get plus minus root 3. Therefore, 2 points of intersection of circle 1 and 2 are A root 3 comma 1 and D minus root 3 minus 1. Step 3. Now shaded area OAM between segment OA of the line 2 and x-axis. In the next slide we'll come to know what is OAM and OA. So this is the general formula. Mode integrate from 0 to root 3 y dx is equal to 0 under root 3 x dx by root 3. After solving this we'll get under root 3 by 2. So this mode represent that area should be positive. Step 4. So step 4 is now integrate root 3 by 2 y dx. So this is OAM, this is AM, this is shaded region, this is the line equation, y is equal to x by root 3, this is B and this is radius 2. So now we'll integrate root 3 to 2 and put the value of y under root 4 minus x squared dx is equal to root 3 by 2 root 3 to 2 x by 2 under root 2 to the power 2 minus x square plus 2 to the power 2 by 2 sin inverse x by 2 from under root 3 by under root 3 to 2. So after solving this integration will the help of with the help of this formula will get this. So 4 minus 4 is 0, so this is 0. Sin inverse 1 is pi by 2, this is pi by 2 and 2 is as it is. Under root 3 by 2 and under root 4 minus 1 is 1, so here 1 and sin inverse under root 3 by 2 is pi by 3. So we'll get this. By solving this we'll get pi by 3 minus under root 3 by 2. And the last step, required shaded area OAB is equal to area of OAM plus area of AMB. So this is OAB and this is OAM and this is AMB. So we'll add under root 3 by 2 to this. So under root 3 by 2 plus pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. So this under root 3 by 2 and this under root 3 by 2 will cancel out. We'll get 3 by pi by 3. So final answer is pi by 3. Thank you.